There's a savory side of figs that could be the secret to your next product innovation. When California figs are blended with savory ingredients such as salt, pepper, herbs, and spices, figs shift to a meatier flavor profile that is rich in aroma and taste. From a technical standpoint, figs hold up to thermal processing, microwaving, and packaging and can serve as a thickener to achieve a desirable texture. Here's the seed of an idea for a sauce, something that resembles a steak sauce. It begins with fig juice concentrate as a base. A touch of vinegar gives us a balsamic effect. Then a touch of anchovy and tomato paste brings savory umami type effects. Black pepper makes the mixture very, very meaty. Then a little chipotle or smoked paprika for a spicy chili effect, and a pinch of salt and it's done. A flavor system that appeals to all the senses. I hope you can see an infinite number of inspired possibilities on this plate. For example, we can take this sauce in a Korean direction by adding soy sauce and red pepper paste in addition to other savory ingredients to dial up the sweet, spicy character. Or we can take this in a Thai direction with notes of lemongrass and ginger for a balanced flavor. Other global cuisines? California figs can play an intriguing role in all of them. Tune in to our next video in this series for baking inspirations featuring California figs.